People, welcome back to my channel. Interesting, very powerful video. Today I will talk about once again the CPA marketing. Okay, don't skip this video. This will be one of the best practical video. I will tell you each and every step which offer to promote, where to promote, on which traffic source. Okay, so this will be a cheap paid traffic. Follow the strategy. If you stay consistent for a week, definitely you will get a lot of leads. All right, a lot of CP marketers, they will not tell you because they don't know these secret traffic source. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just dive straight to the video. See, this is the dashboard of the CPA Grip account. Once you log in, you need to come here and click over here, offers, my offers. When you click here, my offers, select United States. These are the offers which you need to promote. Okay, remember one thing, there is a golden rule: always promote high converting offers. Okay, it's not like that you send the traffic and if you don't receive the conversion, then you will give up. So always promote high converting offer. And how do you know that the offer is converting very high? See, by checking the net EPC should be high. Okay, see, these are the offers which are converting very well. See, 0.236, 0.220, 0.16. See, these three offers are converting very well. If the EPC is above 15, that means these offers are converting very well. All right, so this time get your 500 Walmart gift card. This offer is converting very well. This is the one, claim your 5,000 now gift card. These are the offers. Suppose we want to promote this offer, we will just click over here. As you already know how to get the affiliate link. Once we get our affiliate link, we will just shorten it from bit.ly. Okay, suppose this is the affiliate link. We will just copy it and we will just shorten it from bit.ly or cut.ly. All right, this is the step one. Now step two, where we are going to get the traffic from. We will be promoting the CPA offers on the cheapest website where there is very less competition. Okay, the advertising name is, where we will buy the traffic from, dao.ad. Okay, this is the traffic source, dao.ad. This is the site. I have been using this site and I would definitely recommend you to go and create a campaign on this website for 2,000 visitors. I mean, you will be getting 2,000 visitors for just $1. This is the website, doa.ad. Okay, not only you need to promote USA offers, but you can also promote UK offers, UAE offers, Australia offers. Okay, this has got a very high and cheap traffic. Okay, the quality of traffic is very good. You just need to come over here. Suppose, see, this is, I logged in, and you need to click over here, campaigns, and click over here, pop under. Once you click here, pop under, click over here, create campaign. When you click here, create campaign, that's it. You just need to select 3-4 catchy lines. I mean 3-4 box, like which, suppose you need to promote on mobile phone, you need to select the Android. If the offer is for Android, select Android. If the offer is for Apple, select Apple. Okay, and you don't need to get a landing page. Just shorten the link from bit.ly and promote the offers on this website, doa.ad.com. all right, take advantage of this website. All right, if you get stuck, just direct message me on Instagram. I'll help you out there. All right, the second website which I'm going to tell you is push.house. This is the website. This is best for CPA offers. Okay, take advantage of this website, push.house, and promote, create a campaign by selecting push notification. All right, see, the network volume is quite high. See, the US, we need to promote in USA, mostly in USA. See, 0.0028 is the EPC. All right, you will be, yesterday click was 272,129. all right, so you will be, these are the cheapest websites. See, CPA marketing is all about the number game. Remember one thing, the more traffic you can send to your CPA offer, the high chances of getting leads. All right, suppose you send 1,000 people to your CPA offer, high converting offer. Out of 1,000, 50% will definitely sign up. Okay, so it's all about the number game, and you need to send quality, genuine traffic. So if you promote on Facebook ad, Google ads, nothing, you will be in loss and nothing is gonna work. Okay, so promote and on these website push.house.com, doa.ad.com. All right. And the third traffic source which I would tell you is free classified, freeadstime.org. This is the free website. You need to create a campaign on this website. It's totally free to create a campaign. Okay, it's like a classified sites. You can promote in every country. I mean, not only in USA, you can promote in Canada, Europe, South America, Africa. Okay, and not only in state, not only in country, but you can promote in USA states also, Alabama, Illinois, New York. Okay, these are the states. In USA you can promote your offers. Over here also, North Carolina, Apex, these are the cities, these are the states. So it depends on you. Just if you have an affiliate link, just spread everywhere. Okay, the point is get more and more visitors. If you send 10,000 visitors, 1,000 is gonna sign up. Okay, if you send 20,000 visitors, 2,000 is going to sign up. So like this, it's all about the volume. It's all about the number games. The more traffic you send to your affiliate network, to your CPA offers, the more chances of getting leads. Okay, so what you need to write, just post an ad, create an account on this website, freeadstime.org. Click over here, post an ad, and you need to write these lines as a part of promotion. If we are providing $100 to $500 Walmart, Amazon gift cards to the first 90 people, it's totally free to apply. You don't need to pay anything. Claim your free gift card here, and here this will be your affiliate link. That's it. You don't need to just send the marketing email. I mean, you don't need to type the marketing. Just type the personal message and just promote it over here on this website. Post an ad. Once you create an account, post an ad, the form will open, and just select the state and just put this 2 lines, and your ad will be posted free of cost on freeadstime.org website. Okay, so these are the 3 traffic sources which I would highly recommend you. Number 1 is doa.ad. Okay, and second one is push.house.com. The third one is free classified adstime.org. Create a campaign. Don't just wait for the things to happen. Make it happen. Stay consistent for a week. If you get stuck, ask me. If you are still struggling to make money online, CPA marketing, regarding CPA marketing, there is a link in the description. Check out the premium CPA marketing course where I have shown practically step by step how to promote, where to promote, each and everything. Okay, so take action now. No more excuses. All right, see you on the other side. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead. Peace.